Hello everyone! Today we are going to cook easy and healthy almond butter cookies. For this recipe, we are going to need a cup and a half of whole wheat flour, half a cup of almond butter, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1/3 cup of water. To make these cookies, the first step is mix the flour with the almond butter. The honey, and 1/3 cup of water. Until you have a smooth dough. Second, shape the cookies with your hands. Make sure to put a seal pad or butter paper so that the cookies do not stick to the can, and put them on a baking sheet. You can also use the rolling pin to stretch out the dough and cut it with cookie cutters. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Once the cookies are ready, remove them from the oven and let them cool before serving. We have finished the recipe. If you are celiac, you can replace wet flour with gluten-free oatmeal. And if you are vegan, you can replace honey with agave or 50 drops of stevia. If you liked this recipe, hit the like button below and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.